In this video, you'll learn how to fix the error creating file copy issue on Google Drive. If you've ever tried to make a copy of a file and suddenly run into this message, it can be pretty frustrating, especially when you're in a hurry. In this walkthrough, we'll go through some simple checks and actions you can take step by step to get things working again. Let's start with the quickest thing you can try, refreshing the Google Drive page. Sometimes the error isn't about the file at all, but about a temporary glitch in your browser or your connection to Google's servers. Go up to your browser's refresh button or press Ctrl+R on Windows or Command+R on a Mac to reload the page. Wait a couple of seconds for everything to fully load, then try to make a copy of the file again. A simple refresh can clear small hiccups like incomplete loading or outdated session data that may cause the error. If the error is still showing, the next thing to check is your available storage space. Google Drive has a storage limit based on your account plan, and if you're close to or at that limit, making a copy of a file can fail. Remember, a copy takes up the same amount of space as the original file. Look for your storage indicator, usually at the bottom left of the Drive interface. Click on it or hover over it to see how much space you've used and how much is left. If you're running low, try deleting files you no longer need, emptying your trash in Drive, or moving large files to another storage solution. Once you've freed up some space, go back to the file and try creating the copy again. If storage isn't the problem, you'll want to make sure you actually have permission to copy the file. This is especially important for files that someone else has shared with you, like documents from colleagues, classmates, or clients. Open the file details or sharing settings and check whether you have at least viewer or commenter access and whether copying is allowed. Sometimes the owner can disable options like downloading, printing, or copying. If copying is restricted, you'll need to contact the file owner and ask them to grant you the necessary permission or send you a version you're allowed to copy. Without the right access, Google Drive will block the copy and show you an error. Once you've confirmed that permissions are okay, go back to the file and try the action again from scratch. Right-click the file you want to duplicate. In the context menu that appears, select Make a Copy. Give Drive a moment to process the request. You should see a new file appear, usually named Copy Of, followed by the original file name. If the error was caused by a temporary glitch or a one-time issue, repeating this exact step after checking everything else may be all you need. If you're still running into trouble, the last thing to try is copying the file into another folder. Sometimes there can be a problem specific to the current folder, such as restricted access or a syncing issue. Right-click the file again, choose Make a Copy, and once the copy appears, drag it into a different folder you own or have full access to. Alternatively, you can right-click the copy, select Move To, and then choose another folder in your Drive. By moving or creating the copy in a different location, you can bypass folder-level issues that might be triggering the error. Follow these steps in order whenever you see the error creating file copy message, and in most cases, you'll be able to get your copies working again and continue with your work without interruption.